These day traders are intent on creating short squeezes, basically pushing stock prices up to punish short sellers. You've sold short stocks in the past. Have any of your holdings been affected by this? Are you putting new short campaigns on hold?
Yeah, so for now at Livermore, I mean, we're focused, like I said, on value special situations in the fund. We're mainly a long fund anyway, value special situations. But as you know, we look for situations where we can hedge our book, and we look at short selling as ways of doing that, and have been successful in the past with companies that you and I have talked about in the past. We were short Valiant, we were short Wirecard, we were short a number of other stakes at times, and you really have to pick your spots. And I think the difference today is what I noticed, I would say about 8 months ago when the pandemic, a month or two after the pandemic started. Initially, I was really upset because we didn't have a big short book. And of course, the markets were in free fall. And then ultimately by June, July, things started to really come out. And with the Fed backstopping the markets, you started seeing this behavior that you're seeing today take off and manifest. And with that, I knew it was time to step back from any type of short book. And today's dynamics that you're seeing in the market today with, the stocks you mentioned, AMC and GameStop, just, tell you right then and there that this is not the time to implement short positions.
You've been in the market for years, David. You know that you have to adapt or die. How are you adapting? Are you monitoring things like Reddit and all these different chat rooms to get a better sense of what stocks the crowd will gravitate to next, to perhaps get involved or front run or even think about that?
Well, look, I have a couple different thoughts on this. I mean, on one hand, this is a true David and Goliath story. So I won't fault anyone, whether it be someone in a chat room at Reddit or just any investor for that matter, to find an edge and to find a point in which there's a pressure point for any type of investment that could be long or short, and to use that to your advantage. That's been going on for decades in the investment world, right? So that's nothing new. The key is today you have technology, like you said, you have zero fee platforms, and you have a lot of people that are speculating. And I think the issue is that speculation will ultimately lead to losses, big losses.
Yeah. And we've seen it before. We've seen it in 2007. We've seen it in 1999, early 2000. David, thank you so much for joining us. Really appreciate it. We'll have more on the GameStop phenomenon because Emily Chang will be anchoring a 1-hour Bloomberg Technology special. It'll be available on Quicktake starting at 5 p.m. Eastern Time.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quicktake now for insight in an instant.